Somfy Connexoon is a great new way to simply, easily and cost-effectively control your Somfy RTS blinds, curtains and lighting from your phone. Somfy Connexoon Window RTS is the app control for your blinds, curtains and lighting. Connexoon enables you to control all your Somfy products from your phone, like a handset. Group products together, allowing all to be moved by pressing just one button. We call these scenarios or ambiances. For example, a morning scenario could enable all blinds to open, or an evening option to close them all. Use the timer to automatically operate your window blinds or curtains at specific times of day. Once set, sit back and the blinds will operate where they are needed. If you're away, the automation makes it look like someone is home, but Connexoon can do more. Use the Somfy RTS plug to switch a lamp off or on, or incorporate lighting into your timer commands. Not just lamps, control any appliance at any socket. For more elaborate lighting solutions, Philips Hue is fully compatible within the app. Connexoon has been designed to be quick and simple to set up. Let's have a look at what's in the box and how to get you up and running. In your Connexoon pack, you will have the Connexoon hub, an Ethernet cable, a power lead plug, and a quick start guide. First, plug in the power cable to Connexoon using the plug provided. The product is designed to be commissioned with the user's smartphone. If you're installing Connexoon for somebody else and don't have access to their phone or internet, the blinds can be paired manually. When the consumer registers the box and opens the app, the products will be there to identify and rename as they wish. To add them manually, press the program button on the back of the handset. The blind will jog. Choose one of the 6 channels by toggling through with the select button on the back of the Connexoon box. Channel 1, orange LED flashing. Channel 2, red flashing. Channel 3, green flashing. Channel 4, orange double flashing. Channel 5, red double flashing. And Channel 6, green double flashing. Briefly press the Connexoon program button. The paired blind should jog again. This can be repeated for up to 6 products, 1 per channel. More can be added later via the app. For commissioning via smartphone, plug the Ethernet cable into the back of the Connexoon box. The other end is plugged into your internet router. The coloured LED will start red, flash for a while, and then turn green when your Connexoon is good to go. Next, activate your Connexoon box by going to the website www.somfy-connect.com. Alternatively, scan the QR code on the setup instructions to take you straight to the web page. Select United Kingdom as your location country and your preferred language, example English. Click Start Activation. On the next screen, press Activate on the picture of Connexoon. Then insert your unique PIN code printed on the base of your Connexoon unit. Then press Continue. Complete the registration process with your details, email address, etc. to create your Somfy account. Check for the email from Somfy and complete the activation process. Activation is now complete. Download the Somfy Connexoon Window RTS app. This is available for both iOS or Android smartphones. Open the app and log into your Somfy Connexoon account to take control of your blinds, curtains and lights. On first use, the app will ask you for your name. This logs the various users with access to the app. Now we're ready to play. Here is your home page. In the top left-hand corner is our menu bars to access settings. The top of the screen is set to give you information on the weather and temperature at your home location, which you may choose to use to make adjustments to your window coverings. The home screen has 4 set scenario names: coming home, leaving home, solar protection and privacy. These can be configured to operate your blinds, curtains and lights to suit your own personal preferences at the touch of a button. We will come back to look at this in more detail later. At the bottom of the screen, all your connected products are displayed. You can scroll horizontally through the list. Select an end product and operate directly from your phone, like a handset. To add products, they must first be set up and operational from a Somfy handset. Press on the menu bars, select Configuration and press the Add symbol. Here we can add a Somfy RTS product, or swipe the device's box left to add Philips Hue products. Select the appropriate icon for the end product you wish to add. The app will tell you what to do at each step. Next, check the handset is operating the product you want to add. Press and hold the Program button on the back of the handset for a few seconds until the curtain jogs. Press OK on the screen, then press Add. The curtain should jog again. You've now added your first product to the Connexoon app. Press Test to verify the product has been added successfully. The curtain should be moving. If this is working OK, press Stop. Press OK to continue. You can name your product to make it easy to identify. Your product will now show in the list of devices at the bottom of your homepage. Repeat for all your Somfy blinds, curtains, plugs or Philips Hue lighting products. These are ones we've already added. Once the products are in the app, we can now bring the box to life. Let's look at how to create a scenario on the homepage. Select one of the coming home, leaving home, solar protection or privacy scenarios to configure. In this case, let's create a solar protection scenario. You may look at your app during the day and see that it's hot and sunny back home and wish to close certain blinds. To configure, press the pencil symbol in the centre, then on the pencil symbol, on the solar protection icon. A list of your products will appear. Select the product you wish to be activated and specify whether this scenario will activate an up, down or my movement. Repeat for all the blinds you wish to include in this scenario. Now the solar protection icon will run this scenario. Press the icon to test. The other 3 scenarios can be set in the same way. On the next screen is our ambient settings. This gives you 4 further scenarios you can program. In addition, they can be named as you wish, and even use a photo of the room to fully customise your settings, set as we did earlier. The 3rd screen is our timer mode. You can create up to 8 different timed events. We will create 2 examples to show you how to make morning opening and evening closing commands. To create a timed command, click on the pencil icon. Click Add. Enter the time you want your blinds to open in the morning, for example 8 o'clock. Select the days of the week this is to happen. When they go orange, they are active. Select the blinds to include. Once selected, a screen for that product pops open, and you need to select whether this is an up, down or my command, as long as my is already programmed within the handset. The my command can be used here to fully open the slats of a Venetian or zebra blind for daytime use, rather than a fully up position. When all the blinds have been selected and set, name your timed event and press OK. A list of all your timed events will be shown. To create another event, in our case blinds down in the evening, press the Add button. But this time we shall use a closing time linked to sunset that will change during the year to adjust for the lengthening or shortening of daylight hours. The settings automatically calculates the sunrise and sunset times throughout the year based on your location. Use the sliders to adjust the time, plus or minus, before or after. The timer can be turned on or off using the slider button on the main timer screen, or individually activated or deactivated using the orange activation box next to each named event. To delete an event, use the bin icon. To edit, use the pencil. Other features on the app include the question mark on the right-hand side of our screen gives guidance notes to the settings on that screen. As mentioned previously, a weather report from the home location is shown on the top of the screen, showing the temperature and a weather icon. The following information and settings can be found under the menu bar in the top left corner. At the top is an icon showing the status of the box. Green @ sign for connected, while a red cross shows no internet connection. Dashboard. A record of recent events and which user has been active. Also a schedule of events in the future. Messages. Find information and updates and new functions. Settings. Show the coordinates of the box and govern sunrise and sunset times. Also access to turn on or off other features. My account. Details of the account registered to the box. Configuration. This is where we go to add our products. Help. This section should be completed by the installer to give their contact information to support the customer with technical advice. Also shown is a link to the email at Somfy Technical. Legal information, all the T's and C's, etc. Finally, disconnection. So let's just recap on what makes Connexoon windows so great. Control blinds easily from your phone when at home or anywhere in the world. Automation made simple, blinds opening and closing automatically without lifting a finger. Add security by using the timer, making it appear someone is home. Increase comfort and reduce fuel bills by keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Fully compatible with all Somfy RTS interior products, old or new, and Philips Hue lighting. For more information, of course, check out our website at somfy.co.uk. But remember, get connected, get Connexoon. Thanks for watching.